Hello my dear friends, this is Beena and you're watching Legend Arts. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cute little nail charms in 5 different ways. Making those charms are very easy and trust me, they look very cute when you wear them. But at first you need to pierce your nails. So let's see how to make them. For the first one, take a bead with medium hole and take a small chain. Now, pour some glue into the hole and pass the chain through the hole with the help of a thin wire like this. Let the glue dry and attach a jump ring to the chain. Your nail charm is ready. Isn't it easy and beautiful, my dear friends? For the second one, we'll take some ball chain and a medium-sized pearl bead. Now, pass the chain through the bead hole. Cut the chain keeping a small length like this. Now, stick the ends together using strong glue. Attach a jump ring and your nail charm is ready. For the third one, we will take some seed beads, a jump ring and a small chain. At first, open the jump ring, pass one bead, then pass one end of the chain. Then pass two beads and after that pass the another end of the chain and finally pass the last bead. Close the jump ring and your nail charm is ready. You can wear this with any type of modern outfit. For the next charm, we will make a very small tassel out of cotton thread like this. Make a 6 flower chain with the wire like this. When you are done, at first give it a round shape, then twist the wires together to close the ends and cut the excess wires off. Attach a jump ring to it and you are done. So my dear friends, I hope you liked my idea. Comment below and let me know your thinking about these. Like, share and subscribe to Legend Arts. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.